In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix invalid QR code in WhatsApp. If you're seeing invalid QR code when trying to use WhatsApp on your computer or share your contact, don't worry. This usually comes down to an expired code, cached data, or visibility issues. I'll walk you through a clear sequence that reliably fixes it. Start on your computer at web.whatsapp.com. Simply refresh the page or click the reload icon to generate a brand new QR code. These codes expire quickly for security, so a fresh one often does the trick. Keep the tab active and visible while you're preparing to scan. If you've zoomed in or out in your browser, return to 100% so the code stays crisp and readable on screen. Now, grab your phone, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots, select linked devices, and tap link a device. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer. Hold the phone steady, make sure the entire code is in frame, and avoid glare on your monitor. If your camera asks for permission, allow it, and keep the computer screen in good lighting for a clean scan. If it's still invalid, clear your browser's cache and cookies. In most browsers, you'll find this in settings under privacy or history. Clearing cache removes old, conflicting data that can block new sessions. Heads up, it may sign you out of some websites. Once cleared, return to web.whatsapp.com, refresh to get a new QR code, and try linking again from linked devices on your phone. Next, adjust visibility, turn off dark mode on your computer or switch to a lighter theme, and increase the screen brightness so the code has strong contrast. Smudges and reflections make scanning harder, so wipe your screen if needed and bump up your phone's screen brightness too. If you've linked devices before, you might be hitting a session conflict. On your phone, go to Settings, then Linked Devices, and log out of any sessions you don't recognize or no longer use. After cleaning that list, return to linked devices and link your device again with the fresh QR on your computer. Finally, reset your WhatsApp QR code used for sharing your contact. Go to WhatsApp settings, tap the QR icon next to your name, and choose Reset QR code. This replaces any outdated or widely shared code, which can sometimes trigger invalid messages. After resetting, generate and use the new code and repeat the linking process if needed. Follow these steps in order, and you should be up and running. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.